This is the 35 Plymouth. We have doing a resto mod to it, kind of. A little bit of a hot rodding to it. It's getting a 273 cubic inch, late 60s Chrysler motor put in it. We're keeping everything Chrysler on it. 904 automatic transmission, and a set of torque thrust wheels. We did some carpeting, did a little bit of interior work, getting it back to the way it was before. And nothing crazy on this one, some dual exhaust, and make it just that, classic hot rod. Bigger motor and, give it that little modern amenities. So we've got the 1966 Mustang brought in. This is a great car. I love the 66, and I love this one even more. This one has so many odd options on it that you just didn't see. We have pony interior. We have the clock and tack on the steering column. We have the console. We have AC. I mean, the list just keeps going on and on with this one. And plus, it has the Ember Glow paint, which is factory paint color. You don't see a lot of them like this. I'm not sure how popular color was, but today's day and age, it's gives you that burnt orange with some metallic in it, and it's really pretty. We got a couple of paint touch-ups to do on it, and then we're going to check it over mechanically. Right now, we've got all the stuff stripped off the rear to do a couple of blow-ins on it. So hopefully we can match the paint right up on it. One of the smaller jobs here. So the 1930 Model A, we did this car a few years ago, and we did some paint work, tires, full interior on it. Customer ran into a few problems after driving it for a couple of years, and we brought it back in, and Brad's got it up and running. Found we had a water pump issue and a little bit of overheating issue, so he's got that figured out and back together, and it's getting ready to go back home again. This is a fantastic survivor car. Basically, this thing was in such great shape. Metal work, body work on it is very minimal, and we have the full interior was done. Door panels, headliner, seats, that was all done a few years ago. And one of the greatest things about this is Dan did all of this as custom upholstery, and he's just been out and enjoying it. So now it's ready to go back, and he should have no issues with it for a long time.